Okay, I am here with Eric
Yes.
and his 2013 Toyota Tundra, and he's already looking at them.
Oh my God, those are beautiful. Those are beautiful.
Are you ready to see your headlight fixer-upper that you just saw the headlight? You
Yes.
just saw the headlight fixer-upper.
I jumped too soon, but
You jumped the gun. That's okay. Well, there it is.
beautiful.
So go ahead and
Beautiful. Boy,
well,
that is beautiful.
whip it off, and well, that sounds weird.
Oh,
Bam!
bam. There we go. There we go. I love it. I love it. This is a great job. This is awesome headlights, really.
They are ASMS headlights.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
so yeah, beautiful truck, not too bad. My late father had one of those, and homage to him. So
Yeah.
these weren't too bad. Just a little bit of residue that we had to get off, shine them up, and your concern was being able to see, particularly with the driver's side, being able to have that really be focused, and not only that, but just looking the same as the other one.
Yeah, because they look good. Let me call on the headlights. Let me turn it on. Let me turn the headlights.
All right, it's the turn-on test.
Looking good, looking good. Oh yeah, those look
Are
good.
you really going to be
Those
able to
look
tell now, or no?
Yeah, oh yeah, I can tell.
You can
I
tell?
Can see it. Oh
Okay.
yeah, because it was bad. I mean, you could hardly even see through it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. Those look like new.
Thank you. Yeah.
Those look like new.
Yeah, you'll really.
Thank you so
you'll really,
much,
Yeah,
man.
you'll really be able to tell at night.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So I would just say, like tonight, just go somewhere, just for the purpose of just going somewhere.
I sure will. That's what's going to happen. I'm just going to get on out and roll.
Yeah.
Definitely.